Privyet guys, today I will explain how to sell cryptocurrencies to Hryvnia or other Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. I will use Binance in this operation. I explained this graph in other video, so we will use this route from Binance to GeoPay wallet and debit card in Hryvnia, UH. Okay, this is in Ukraine. Okay, so let's go. First at all, I need to deposit some bitcoins here because I only have $1 here, so I will make a deposit of Bitcoin. Bitcoin with Lightning Network in the value of 0.000788158. Create invoice. These bitcoins is bought with BIPA. BIPA is one exchange here in Brazil that works with Lightning Network. Is the principal, the main exchange in Brazil that uses Lightning Network. Okay, this invoice was paid. Let's see the dashboard again. Let's make a reload. Okay, the deposit was credited. Remember, the link of Binance is in description of the video. All right, we have here $22. Let's go trade spot. Here we have the spot, and oh, we have the mode here. Okay, this is better. I don't know what's happening here with this fucking model. Okay. BTC, let's search for UH. BTC UH. Okay. This the price of BTC for Hryvnia is okay. I don't know how to reach this number. 1,085,000 and whatever. Okay. Let's sell by the market. Okay, let's sell all my Bitcoin by Hryvnia at the price market. This worked very well. And back to wallet overview. Here I prefer the clear mode. Okay, spot. And here I have the Ukraine Hryvnia. This is the amount we need to withdraw this money from the exchange. So let's withdraw. And we have the GeoPay here, GeoPay mode available. So let's go continue. You will need a GeoPay ID. Here is the screen of GeoPay, and we have an ID here. Okay, my transactions is probably disfocused here for you. You need to copy this number, paste here, continue, put the balance. It's the first time that I'm doing this, okay, but it's easy. Okay, we need 2 requirements of verifications. Okay, beleza. This is very security rules, but unfortunately just this rules is needed. Okay, confirmed. Withdrawal order submitted. Let's wait this order to get inside my GeoPay wallet. So I put this in Ukrainian language, and we have the deposit here. This is pending. Okay, I don't know how to read in Ukrainian. Okay, but this is proper this here is probably pending, okay? Because this is confirmed, so this is pending. Okay. So let's wait a little to the money get inside the GeoPay. Okay, here is my withdrawal from Binance to GeoPay with 897 Hryvnia, and I make another withdrawal of 163 Hryvnia because I am looking for withdrawal, and by nightlight pay we have a limit. Okay, so you need to do a minimal withdrawal of 1,000 Hryvnia to max of 100,000 Hryvnia. And the method peer to you pay is unavailable now. Okay, so will be available soon. And the peer to you pay have a minimum of 500 Hryvnia, and the fee is minus. Okay, but okay, we will test this by nightlight pay, and I can change this to Ukrainian. To make this test, I will make a donation for an organization of South Ukraine. This have a warning that the withdrawal is only for UEG card. I don't know what this means. Okay, I don't know. I don't have idea. I am Brazilian. Okay. I will make a donation for this organization of South of Ukrainian, South of Ukraine. This, I don't know how to pronounce this number, this name, but I know one of the guys of this organization. They have a link tree, okay, link tree, and here in link tree we have a link for monobank or private 24, and here in the link of private 24 we have the card number. Okay, so I will copy the card number, paste the card number here. What the fuck, I don't know what this means. Oh, have a bug on the system. 061. Fuck, I need to deposit more money. Is this? This is unfair. Okay, let's try again. I deposit 192 Hryvnia. Let's go, withdraw. The function of max don't work. I will report this on support after. Number of card number 1, 2. Let's see the value. Okay, don't have fund. Interesting. Oh, okay, for payment. Okay, you get 100, no, 1,100. Withdraw. Withdraw order submitted. Withdrawals processed. Dispatch a payment for the gateway. Okay. Let's wait. I will get in contact with the organization and check if they received my donation. Okay, I talked with the guys from organization if they received my donation, and they say that yes, your donation has arrived. So okay, the road with GeoPay works as tested here. But this video is only. Goodbye.